Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching. Today I want to talk about why people fail in a business opportunity. Before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, because I make a video practically every day, go ahead and click the bell icon. And I want to make this video short. I don't want to go too long on this. First, some people don't take the business seriously. They treat it like a hobby. They only work on the business when they feel like it, and they don't really commit to doing the necessary work they need to do in order to be successful in their business. So if they just treat it like a hobby, do it when they feel like it, they're not going to make any money, or they're going to make very little money. Next, they're not willing to financially invest in their business. They think they can start a business opportunity without putting any money out whatsoever and have that business grow and make thousands and thousands of dollars for them. That's not going to happen. There's always some type of financial investment in the business. And the best thing about starting an online business, especially the kind of business I'm in, which is affiliate marketing, it only takes a few hundred to maybe a couple of $1,000s to start and grow your business before you start making, really good money. So not financially investing in your business means that you're not taking it seriously and you think that you can get something for nothing. Okay? Next, some people want someone to hold their hand every step of the way and do most of the work for them, if not all of the work. And surprisingly, there's a lot of people that are like that. They're willing to financially invest, they'll pay to get into a business opportunity, but then they want their sponsor or whoever else brought them into the opportunity to do most of the work. And they're not proactive in running their business. If they have a question, they immediately run to their sponsor and get the answer from their and try to get the answer from their sponsor. And if they don't get an answer, then they give up. Whereas if you're proactive in your business, if you have a question, you do your research. You research your question, see if you can find the answer on your own. If you can't, most business opportunities, they'll have like a Facebook group that you can go to. You can ask your question in that group, and there'll be plenty of people that will be willing to help you and answer your question. Some people will give up on their business because they can't get in contact with their sponsor, and they think that the only way they can be successful is if their sponsor is always available to them. And people in the Facebook groups will tell those people, don't rely on your sponsor to be successful. Your sponsor just invited you to the business opportunity. Okay? That's all they did. It is your job to learn how to work your business, to do the necessary income producing activities every single day to grow your business, and then you'll eventually start making commissions. You don't need a sponsor to do that. Hopefully the business opportunity you're in has training in it that will help you to grow your business, that will help you to earn commissions. Hopefully that business opportunity has all of the tools that you need in order to start and run your business. Okay? And if it does, you don't need help from your sponsor, because there are some sponsors out there who, once they have your money, you never hear from them again. Now, those are bad sponsors, okay? Most sponsors, they will be available to answer like some questions that you might have, but they're not there to hold your hand throughout the entire process, and they're not there to do all the work for you. So be proactive when you get into a business opportunity. You have a question, seek out the answer for yourself. If you still can't find an answer, go to Facebook groups, go to your sponsor, ask them, and they'll be able to help you. Okay? And if your sponsor isn't available, go to the Facebook group, and those people there will help answer that question for you. Okay? But do not rely on your sponsor to help you in your business. It is 100% up to you. Okay? Next, Again, this sort of goes hand in hand with it. They expect to invest in a business and then commissions magically appear. And surprisingly, there are people like that. They are willing to put in the financial investment, but then they sit back, don't do any work, and when they don't start receiving commissions, they give up or they call the business a scam. If you just pay to get into the business opportunity and then you sit back and don't do any work, you're not going to make commissions. And for some reason, it astonishes me that there are people who think that commissions will start raining down on them without doing any work. You have to work your business every single day consistently if you want to make commissions. It doesn't matter what business opportunity you're in. They pretty much all work the same. Work the business. Do it every single day. Do it consistently. Eventually, you'll start making commissions. You just have to be patient. Next, people have an employee mindset. What I mean by this is that their thinking is still, I'll do this work, and then at such and such a time, I'll get paid for it. In the business world, what happens is that you do the work, and you do the work, and you do the work, and at first you're not going to see any positive results. At first, you may not earn a commission soon. It could take weeks or even a month before you see your first commission. You have to be patient, okay? And while you're being patient, you have to still continue to do the work consistently every single day. So with the employee mindset, your thinking is, okay, I'm doing this work, I should be getting paid. But when you're running a business, you're doing the work, you haven't got paid yet. So you have to keep doing the work without getting paid until finally you get your first commission. And then all that work you did in the beginning, eventually that leads to you getting more and more commissions. Okay? You just have to be patient with it. And the last thing, most people aren't meant to start a business. And that's just a fact. There are gurus out there who say that employees are losers. I don't think that way. Most people are not meant to start a business. They have the employee mindset, or they may like their job, which is great. If you like your job and you really don't want to start a business, even though people are telling you, oh, you need to start a business because jobs suck. But if you like your job and you don't want to start a business, stay at the job. Don't start a business. You will be unhappy if you start a business if you don't really want to. Most people, all they really want is to all they want to do is get paid regularly, basically. Get paid regularly, and when you start a business, that's not what happens. You don't get paid regularly when you first start a business. And like I said before, you could go weeks or even a month before you get your first commission when you start a business opportunity. Most people don't want to go through that uncertainty. They'd rather stay at a job, which is perfectly fine. We need people to work jobs. Not everybody can be a business owner. But if you don't want to stay at a job for the most of your life, if you want to start your own business, you really want to do that, you're willing to put in the financial commitment and the time commitment to do a business, and you're willing to be patient and work your business every single day consistently, then your chances of becoming a successful business owner go up. And if you are still looking for a business opportunity to join, you haven't found one yet, the very first link below this video in the description area is the business opportunity that I'm in. And you can check out that business opportunity by clicking that first link, putting in your email address, and then you'll receive all the information about the opportunity, okay? So again, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.